Welcome to SysCloud. In this video, we'll give you a walkthrough of SysCloud Backup for Microsoft 365. SysCloud Backup for Microsoft 365 is designed to help users quickly recover lost data from accidental deletions, ransomware attacks, and other data loss events. Under Microsoft 365, we backup Outlook, OneDrive, SharePoint Online, Teams, People, Calendar, List, and OneNote. Setting up Microsoft 365 backup using SysCloud is very simple. You can securely connect your Microsoft 365 accounts, select domains, users, and apps to be included in the backup, and define the retention period for your backup archives by creating a backup job. Once set up, the backup runs automatically every day. We also have an on-demand backup option in case you want to instantly run an incremental backup for specific users. Once you've configured your backup, you can see a comprehensive dashboard where you can track the backup progress at an account level, domain level, app level, and even at a user level. The dashboard also displays the usage stats, backup and restore health reports and errors, backup trends, admin roles available, and audit logs of all the admin and end-user activities. The dashboard view is also available for individual users and domains. Just search for the username or domain name in the search box on the top to view the backup dashboard associated with the user or the domain. From the archives page, you can click on any user or search for a user to view the backup archives for the user categorized by apps. Instead of having to go through multiple steps to navigate to the user archives, you can make use of SysCloud's Smart Navigation feature to quickly navigate to the archives or dashboards for any account, domain, app, or user. SysCloud lets you effortlessly restore data to the same user or a different user in the same domain with sharing permissions and folder structure intact. You can restore files to their original location or to a separate folder. You can also export emails or files from your archives. In fact, emails can be exported in PST or Mbox formats for viewing them using email clients. If you have any trouble finding the data you're looking to restore or export, we have advanced search options that will help you locate your data based on filters like email subject, document ID, created date, keywords and metadata, and more, depending on the app you want to restore. To help you deal with ransomware and data corruption, we have a point-in-time restore feature which will allow you to choose a previous version of your archives and restore the version intact. SysCloud has several features that make it easy for administrators to manage backups and handle restore requests. Administrators can set up multiple backup admin roles with granular controls on access rights and turn on self-service restore options for end users. Admins can also keep track of all the restores and exports using our detailed restore and export reports. With SysCloud's granular progress tracking, you can get an accurate time of completion for all your restores and exports. Thousands of IT administrators use SysCloud as a single pane of glass to backup and manage critical SaaS applications. Start your 30-day free trial today.